This is how to use the TV at Heavenly Trebolo. We can see we have an LG Smart TV. We have the remote right over here. You simply take the remote and hit your power button on top of the remote. When you hit your power button, the TV will turn on, and it is a smart TV, so it'll go to your Netflix or whatever you want. You can see on the remote you've got your Netflix buttons and so forth. We only allow streaming, so don't expect to have regular channels. If you do want to plug in your own devices, we do have an HDMI cable available that you can plug into your phone or whatever. You will need that adapter. And then you can see that you can actually adjust your input accordingly. So you can put your thumb there and it'll tell you whatever input. You can see your live TV, satellite, HDMI 1, 2, 3, screen share. You can even screen share from your phone. So again, you would simply decide what you're looking for, and you would go ahead and you would input whatever you need. If you have any questions, you can call us at 1-866-322-5487, or you can email us at info@calivrbo.com.